Hi everybody, welcome to our new video. Today I will compare two soundbar in this video. So let's go, now enjoy this video. Firstly we start design. Dimensions: soundbar 48.5 into 2.7 into 5.4 inch, subwoofer 8.6 into 16.2 into 16.1 inch, satellites 5 into 7.9 into 5.5 inch, and soundbar 40 into 2.7 into 4.1 inch, subwoofer 8.3 into 9.9 into 11.7 inch, satellites 5.7 into 2.2 into 3.5 inch. Weight: soundbar 7.7 kg, subwoofer 11.7 kg, each satellites 3.4 kg, and soundbar 3.9 kg, subwoofer 5.2 kg, each satellites 0.5 kg. Wall mountable: yes, with include hardware. Mountable bar: yes. Mountable satellites: yes. Bar bracket include: yes. Part 2: Sound quality. Channel configuration: 11.1.4 channel and 5.1.2 channel. Amplifier output: 656 watt and 520 watt. Trusted preset: standard and direct. Slope: -0.32 and 0.05. Standard error: 2.32 dB and 3.79 dB. Low frequency: 27.5 Hz and 31.7 Hz. High frequency: 19.9 kHz. Crosstalk error: 2.43 dB and 2.28 dB. SPL max volume: 99.4 dB SPL and 92.8 dB SPL. DRC max volume: 0.81 dB and 0.58 dB. Localization: discorrect. Audio decoding: Detach HD high resolution, Detach HD master audio, Detach X Dolby Atmos, Dolby Digital Plus, Dolby True HD, and Detach Virtual X, Detach X Dolby Atmos. HDMI compliance: CEC EARC. Part 3: Connectivity. Inputs: 2 into HDMI audio video, 1 into HDMI audio video EARC, 1 into optical toslink audio, and 1 into HDMI audio video, 1 into optical toslink audio, 2 into 1/8 inch 3.5 mm audio. Outputs: 1 into HDMI ARC audio video. Wireless audio protocols: AirPlay 2, Bluetooth, Chromecast built-in, Shopify connected, Tilda connected Wi-Fi, and only Bluetooth. Part 4: Features. Display: yes and no. Room correction: yes and no. Subwoofer level adjustment: yes. Auto volume night mode: yes. Real level adjustment: no and yes. EQ, preset and graphics plus preset. Virtual surround: yes. Thanks for watching. For more updates, subscribe to my channel.